And climate change is ravaging the health of people around the world, and policy failures are leading to millions of avoidable deaths each year. The Lancet Countdown has come up with its major annual study tracking the health impacts of climate change. It says opportunities for a just climate transition were still on the table but remained largely untapped. Let's listen to the details.
Climate change is ravaging human health worldwide, with millions of avoidable deaths each year. The Lancet Countdown report calls for urgent action ahead of the COP30 climate talks in Brazil, including investments in zero-carbon energy and climate-resilient infrastructure. Rising temperatures and toxic fumes from wildfires are taking a deadly toll. The report put figures on some of the most deadly consequences. 546,000 people died each year between 2012 and 2021 because of exposure to heat, a massive increase on figures from the 1990s, and toxic fumes from wildfires killed a record 154,000 last year. Global temperatures are now hitting record highs, surpassing 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, amplifying heat waves, droughts, and extreme weather. Despite the climate crisis, governments spent nearly $1 trillion subsidizing fossil fuels last year. It also criticizes some world leaders and corporations for backsliding on climate commitments, while praising local communities for leadership efforts.
Despite the fact that we're seeing such a falling engagement from political leaders, what we're also seeing is that sometimes it is the local governments that are still taking the lead, and the ones that are most in contact with local communities that are holding the efforts for climate action to be taken forward. And we're seeing things like extreme weather events becoming more frequent and more deadly. We have new data this year showing that we had more than 150,000 deaths related to wildfire exposure per year, wildfire smoke exposure per year. So the death toll of climate change is rapidly growing, and that is particularly concerning.
Experts say reversing harmful policies and investing in sustainable solutions is crucial to protect human health and survival. Bureau Report, DD India.
And now let's take a look at other stories making news around the world. Tiffaine Auzerre, daughter of France's First Lady Brigitte Macron, gave evidence on Tuesday in cyberbullying trial. 10 people are on trial over false claims that her mother is a transgender woman. Auzerre told the court that she had witnessed the serious effect the rumors had on her mother's health. If convicted, the co-accused face up to 2 years in prison. To mark the 100 days before the start of the 2026, members of the U.S. Olympic and Paralympic squads participated in an event on Tuesday, turning on the lights at the Empire State Building. The colors, of course, were to be red, white and blue, the national colors of the United States. The Milano Cortina Games run from February 6 to February 22nd. A toilet cleaning tablet that also screens for early kidney disease signals has been shortlisted for the prestigious James Dyson Award Global Top 20, which will be announced on November 20th. Called Urify, the device is activated by flushing a toilet, which releases a reagent that detects urinary albumin, a marker associated with kidney disease, and provides an early warning to seek medical help.